My name is Nicholas Willey. I'm a filmmaker, and this is why I create.
Action.
So as I grew up, movies were an important part of my life. You learn about truth and goodness, but only in film you see it lived out. Art, it never really started as just a way for me to express myself. It was always, wow, I found that really powerful. That's made me want to be a better person. How can I create something like that, I always compare it to the way in which personal example affects me. In life, I think the things that you are most influenced by tend to be people, whether for good or for bad. And so I know there are several people in my life who, I just really treasure my relationship with them because they're such great people. I look to them as role models. And that, I think there's a clue there as to why film is so powerful. You get to see life lived. And I think that's why it's so powerful, especially when it's communicating something good or true or beautiful. That's immensely powerful in the same way that knowing someone who is good is powerful. I create from a desire to impact people's lives in a positive way. And those times when I have seen that someone's been really affected by my work, it's meant the world to me. It's what really drives me. So I would say that the way in which I try and do that has evolved. It's kind of gone from more of an intellectual thing, and it's become more of an emotional thing. I used to write very much from my head, and over the last 3 years I've been able to write from the heart a little bit more, in the sense of truthfully bringing your own experiences to your work. That's really affecting to people because it rings true, it rings authentic. My name is Nicholas Willey, and this is why I create.